Alright y'all, it is day 8 and we're on our way to breakfast in California, obviously. Crow flying over. We're leaving the hotel right now and we're on our way to Sunnyvale, which is where me and my mom lived until I was like 6 years old. So yeah, gonna show my sister where we used to live, and then day after that we're going to San Francisco. So yeah, see you there. So we used to live up there in number 9. They renovated it, obviously. It's been like, I don't even know, 18 years. So this is the place that we lived at that I actually remember. And it was right here in this first door. It looks just like how I remember it to look, so yeah, that's fun. And this is the school that I used to go to. Hello everybody. So I am editing the videos right now. It's December, so I'm just a little bit late. But yeah, the video gets a bit weird at this point. And it's just random things. Like one day we're here, the other day we're there. Like it's crazy. But I just want to give you guys a quick explanation for all that, because there is one. So that first day we were in San Jose, kind of rhymed. But yeah, we just basically spent time visiting old family friends, which shout out to all you guys. Very lovely seeing all of you, and I really hope to see you guys again soon. But yeah, I wasn't gonna shove cameras down people's faces, and just just wanted to respectfully enjoy my time with everybody, see them, because it's been years since I've seen them. And yeah, I just wasn't gonna do that just to get more content. So yeah, and then the other part, it cuts to, yeah, we're just in San Francisco, which we didn't spend too much time in. But yeah, we just saw like a few things, which I have the clips of and you guys saw already, which was all lovely. And then we headed about midday to Lake Tahoe, where we were supposed to spend 2 full days, so 3 nights total. And that did not end up happening, unfortunately. So due to all of the fires in California, there was a lot of smoke everywhere. It was even raining ashes. Yeah, it was raining ashes. I'll put the clip right now. And yeah, like it was just smoke everywhere, and you just, like, when you walk outside and you take a breath in, it smells like you are in the middle of a campfire. Like, I kid you not. It was the most bizarre experience that any of us have ever had. And because of all the smoke and like the raining ash and stuff, it would, like, you'd be walking and it'd be very hard to breathe, but it would just get in your eyes and it would just make them water. Very uncomfortable, very not a good experience. So we ended up leaving a day early, which turned out to be a blessing in disguise, because Tahoe to Seattle in one day is a hell of a trip. And yeah, we luckily did it in 2, and even that was pretty tough. So I can only imagine how awful it would have been doing it in one day. But yeah, so that's pretty much why the video is the way that it is right now. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you. Alright, so it is day 14. We just left the hotel. I got some tea, and we're on our way to go see the underground tour of Seattle's city. Because there was like a forest fire, or not a forest, there was a fire before, and they built a city above the old one. So yeah, we're gonna go take a tour, see that.
It hasn't given way in hundreds of years. You can stand on it. It's real loud down here because it has one of those rolling
We're back in Starbucks because it was so good. Alrighty, so we're back in the hotel, and yeah, that was the underground tour basically. There's like 3 tunnels that they take you through. You go up through the street, you walk around a little bit, and then they take you downstairs, and you know, explain history and all that stuff. The history itself was pretty nice, but the tunnels, I feel like they would show a bit more. And then the food was amazing. Stuffed. I'm like, got a bit of a food coma. I'm really sleepy, but yeah, probably just gonna chill out in the pool in the hotel. Probably gonna do that because there's not really much to do. And then we leave tomorrow. Our flight is at like 5 or something like that. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of our trip. We're just gonna relax a little, head back to Chicago. Yeah, see ya.